Chapter 1. The Hidden Room.
In a small town, there was an old library. It was quiet and full of old books. Lisa, the librarian, loved her job. She knew every book in the library. One day, Lisa found a hidden door in the library. It was behind a big shelf. "What is this?" she thought. She opened the door. There was a small room. Inside, there was a beautiful painting. The painting was of a woman, with a mysterious smile. Who is she? Lisa wondered. She wanted to know more about the painting. Lisa asked Mr. Brown, the oldest person in town. "Ah, that painting," said Mr. Brown. "It's very old. Some say it's magic." Magic? Lisa was surprised. "Yes. They say it brings good luck," Mr. Brown explained.
Chapter 2. The Magic of the Painting.
Chapter 2. The Magic of the Painting. Lisa put the painting in the library. She told people about the magic painting. Soon, many people came to see it. They looked at the painting and felt happy. One day, a man came to the library. He looked at the painting for a long time. "I know this woman," he said. Lisa was surprised. "You do?" "Yes," said the man. "She was my grandmother. She loved this town." Lisa learned that the woman in the painting was kind and helped many people. The man was happy to see his grandmother's painting in the library.
Chapter 3. The Painting Speaks.
Now, the library was not just a place for books. It was a place for a special painting too. People came not only to read, but also to see the painting and feel lucky. One evening, Lisa stayed late in the library. She heard a soft voice. "Thank you," it said. Lisa looked around. No one was there. She looked at the painting. The woman's smile seemed brighter. Lisa was amazed. "Was that you?" she whispered to the painting. The room felt warm and friendly. Lisa felt like she was not alone. From that day, the library became more than a place of books. It was a place of wonder. People said it was the happiest place in town. All thanks to the secret painting and its mysterious magic.
Comprehension. What is Lisa's job? Librarian. What did Lisa find in the room? A painting. What does mysterious mean? غامضة. Who did Lisa ask about the painting? Mr. Brown. What did the painting bring to the town? Good luck! Sometimes discovering the unknown can bring luck and happiness to our lives. أحياناً اكتشاف المجهول يمكن أن يجلب الحظ والسعادة إلى حياتنا.